Hello, I'm gonna talk about the environment. As you know, at the time there are so many problems like pollution and the global warming. I think we should take care of our planet and start doing something to change it. Because I'm sure that if we are all together, we could make change that could change many people, animals, and plants' life.
As a consequence of the global warming, many animals have been dying for the last years, all because of the damage that we've been doing. Also, many species of animals and plants don't exist anymore. Now I'm gonna talk about my experience. I've been living in Santo Domingo since I was a baby. My parents also told me that Santo Domingo was pretty different than it's now. Now, if you see, Santo Domingo has so many cars in every street and it produces smog, and many factories don't do anything to help the planet. One example of pollution in my city is a little river that we call Pove. My parents also told me that when they were teenagers, this little river was bigger and cleaner. Now, if you see, everyone take out the garbage and throw it there every day. People used to wash their clothes there, and also they used to take a bath there. Now, if you ever do that, you could get sick, or in the worst case, you can even die. Now, the global warming, the causes of the global warming. Scientists have spent decades figuring out what is causing global warming. They've looked at the natural cycles and events that are known, but the amount and pattern of warming that's being measured can be explained by these factors alone. The only way to explain the pattern is to include the effect of the greenhouse gases emitted by humans, the effects of the global warming. The planet is warming from North Pole to South Pole and everywhere in between. Globally, the mercury is already up more than 1 degree Fahrenheit and even more in sensitive polar regions. And the effects of rising temperatures aren't waiting for some far future. They're happening right now. Signs are appearing all over, and some of them surprising. The heat is not only glaciers and sea ice, it's also precipitation patterns and seeing animals on the move. The impacts of the global warming. For example, ice is melting worldwide, especially at Earth pole. The number of penguins have fallen from 32,000 breeding pairs to 11,000 in 30 years. 2. Sea level rise become faster over the last century. 3. Some butterflies, foxes, and alpine plants have moved farther north or to higher, cooler areas. The solutions for the global warming. Many people and governments are already working hard to cut greenhouse gases, and everyone can help. All the governments are allocating a lot of research funds to develop new technologies that will eliminate or at least reduce the pollution being generated today without causing any hardship to our lifestyles. But even if such a good technology is developed and implemented, it will create new types of pollution on itself. Although paper recycling is one of the most useful and worldwide applications. Did you know that making 1 ton of recycled paper uses only 60% of the energy needed to make 1 ton of paper? So I think that if we all together we could make a big change and change your world. Because I imagine that in a future you will want to have a family, and I expect that you don't want them to be sick, you want them to be healthy and happy. So if you're taking a shower, don't waste water. If you're in the computer, turn off the television. So if you're using the computer, turn off the television or another kind of electronic stuff. If you're in the morning and you're at home, turn off the lights if you don't need it. We can all save our world.